What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And right now I'm in the car with my friend Eric. You guys should know him pretty well. I put him in a lot of my videos. So we're driving down to my shop, but I remember that I have a video that I have yet to record, and that is the MST intake and how it sounds once you actually install it. I've gotten a lot of requests like these for other intakes that I have installed, and never really did any video specifically about the sound, especially when I was stock turbo. Right now, obviously, I'm not stock turbo anymore. I have a big boost kit, and the turbo is pretty loud, so this is not necessarily going to be accurate for a stock turbo, but if you have an upgraded turbo, kind of like a big boost turbo, you kind of know what to expect. Eric is driving my car, and so he's going to be doing some pulls and a little bit of like letting off to see what the intake actually sounds like. It has like a really nice fluttery noise whenever you let off the gas, and I can't really describe it, but I'm gonna try to show you it. I don't really have a microphone to put like right at the intake. Okay, but I'm gonna roll down the window. Hopefully you'll be able to hear it. I'm trying to keep as much wind away from it as possible. If you like how it sounds, go ahead and leave a comment in the description down below and tell me what your opinions are, whether you like it or not really. But the rest of the video is pretty much going to be doing some highway driving and some pulls, just to kind of hear what it sounds like. And I don't have a whole lot of dampening in my engine bay anymore, because I mean, I've done so much to the car at this point, it doesn't really make sense to keep all that dampening, especially if I have to take it off every time I go and work on the engine. But hopefully you're able to hear what the intake sounds like. So let's go ahead and have a listen. Alright, and I'm seated here on the right, on the passenger side. It's actually kind of perfect because the intake is right on this side. So hopefully we'll be able to get some clear sound out of it. Kind of sounds like, I don't know how to explain it, like a Alright, so I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's got like a fluttery kind of sound when he releases gas when he gets off the throttle. And of course, like, you can hear the turbo really well. If this had a stock airbox, I don't think the turbo would be as loud because there would be more dampening in place. But you can hear the turbo really good. It's nice and open. I'm not fully straight piped in my exhaust, so the turbo noise is actually not as loud as it could be. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not really much to it. It sounds really good. I've tested pretty much every intake that has been out at this point. So I had the stock airbox, I had the AP intake, I had the CTS turbo intake, and the MST intake. The only ones that I haven't tested are obviously Venturi, because I don't feel like paying $1,500 for something that doesn't do anything for me. I think overall, this is probably one of the best sounding intakes that I've had. And it's shielded, so you know, my IATs stay relatively cool, because it's still going to be hot at the engine bay. I mean, the turbo's right beside it, but it stays relatively cool, and actually a little bit cooler than all the other intakes, even the BMS intake, which supposedly uses the box as the shield. This is definitely one of the better intakes that I've had, possibly the best. If sound is what you're looking for, this is definitely it. If performance is what you're looking for, this is probably also the best one to get, because it's insulated. Other than that, that's it, guys. Not really much to this video. Just kind of wanted to show you what it sounds like. Maybe you have a little bit of an idea of what to expect. But I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like, go ahead and subscribe, so you can see more of these videos, and probably more of him, because he's in my videos a lot. So and we're gonna be working on his car a little bit more as he keeps upgrading it. We have a running joke that it's kind of like my side chick, so sorry. But yeah, so anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.